So unlike the wrist tape, I'm actually gonna have her turn her hand this way and act like she's holding a can of soda. Okay, so the joint that we're trying to protect is our MCP joint, our metacarpal phalangeal joint, and we're trying to avoid it going into extension. Usually that's how we injure it, by overextending or hyperextending that joint, so we're trying to stop that. Okay, so I'm gonna take my 1-inch tape, and I know I wanna cover that joint, so the first thing I'm gonna do is cover it. Okay, and then when I'm doing this direction, my line of pull is down. It's always down because I'm putting her into flexion. And then I have no tension around her thumb. I come up and across that joint, not pulling this way, just up and across, and then I'm gonna go around her wrist and rip. Okay, then I'm gonna do the same thing but going the opposite direction. So I lay it down this way, crossing that MCP joint. Now my line of pull's here because I'm pulling her into flexion, no tension, around the thumb, around the wrist, rip. Okay, and then I'm gonna repeat it 2 more times on each side. So we're gonna start this way, crossing that joint, around the thumb, around the wrist, rip. This way, tension is down, no tension around the thumb, around the wrist, rip, around the thumb, around the wrist, rip, around the thumb, around the wrist,